Making games just got so much easier for non-game devs. Unity just announced Unity AI and they say it's now in open beta. They also saying they believe AI has the most impact when it helps creators move faster while staying in control of the creative process. They state use our built-in agent tuned for Unity workflows or connect the AI tools you prefer via AI gateways and MCP server. So AI now connected to Unity with Unity AI. You can use the AI gateway or the MCP server, whichever one you feel is real, and go out and now create some games. I can finally now go create my marble racing league and make a channel on YouTube and start showing y'all my marble racing league. No, I'm just kidding. But that's something that I've been trying to make in Unity for years. But the bottleneck was just the learning curve, right? Learning how to actually make these games and become a game developer. Now all of that is collapsing. That bottleneck is pretty much gone almost. And that learning curve is shrinking because AI is basically shrinking it and allowing you to create things without having to know how to create games. So when we go to Unity's website, we see here the Unity AI suite. You have agentic assistant, editor integrated, project aware, designed for your workflows. You have AI gateway, connect your models and tools directly, built to maximize performance, security, and control. And you have the MCP server, bridge to Unity from your IDE or preferred application, more performant than open source alternatives. And when we look at the pricing here, you have Unity Personal, which they say is for hobbyists and small indie teams. And it's free. You get 1,000 monthly credit allowance for Unity's AI agents, one concurrent MCP server connection, and you get AI gateway to connect verified third party agents. With Pro, you get Unity AI, you get 2,000 monthly credits, three concurrent MCP connections, and you get the AI gateway connection. And then you have Enterprise, which is custom pricing, but you get 3,000 monthly credit allowance for Unity's AI agent, five concurrent MCP connections, and the AI gateway. So you got free with Unity Personal, you got Pro at 210, and then Enterprise, of course, at custom pricing. But what this is going to allow is people to create more and more games that they like, right? The ideas that people have are going to be brought to life now with this type of technology. And Unity is allowing that to happen now with Unity AI. So I think this is really cool. It's in open beta right now. So we can assume that this is going to get stronger and more in depth and more intricate as time goes on. This is just like the first iteration that we are seeing. So just imagine how this is going to look in like a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now. Imagine what the gaming scene is going to look like in the next few years. We already see AI helping people create role play games and like GTA and Fortnite and whatever the case may be. I truly believe a lot more people are going to, smaller teams are going to be able to put out games that are going to compete with the larger games. I think that's just a standard progression of being able to utilize AI and all of this. But at the same time, it's going to allow people who have never created games before be able to bring their ideas to life and bring a lot of diversity into the gaming world. Bring a lot of opportunities to people that never had them before, and it could build a lot more competition. But I truly believe that competition is good, to keep people on their toes, to make sure there's not really any monopolies, and show incumbents that you can't just get on top and think you're going to stay on top forever. I think this is really going to help people who always wanted to get into gaming, like myself, who wanted to make games but just don't know how. I'm going to try to play around with this and see what I can come up with and see what I can do. But I think this is cool. I think this is amazing. And Unity coming out with this right now is kind of like perfect timing, if you ask me. The timing is pretty much perfect for everything that we see happening with AI right now. Side note, guys, I did make a Codex pet. I can't really show you on here right now because it's in a separate browser window, but it is running around. It's kind of one of the most useless things that I've seen Codex ship, but I digress. Back to Unity. Unity bringing this right now is perfect timing, especially for a lot of people who are building role play games or just using AI right now. The MCP server, I think, is going to be a great addition. The AI gateway as well, allowing people to utilize whatever they choose. But I'm pretty sure Unity AI is going to be good as well. If people just want to use the in-house AI from Unity, they said it's basically made for Unity, so designed for your workflows. It's made to basically work with Unity as it is right now, right? AI that understands games. It understands games. It understands how it works. Our in editor agent is tuned for Unity specific workflows and grounded in your project context. That means more relevant answers, better task execution, fewer retries. You can bring your assets to life. Unity AI helps you convert designs, images, and visual references into project ready assets and playable scenes. I mean, look at this stuff, guys. Like, the ideas that people are going to have and be able to put together is going to be amazing. I think the only bottleneck for real for people is going to be credits. How much credits they can use, how much like the usage limits. They say here better integration means more control, undo changes anytime, tag AI generated assets for easier review, set permissions to control agent autonomy. I mean, the possibilities are endless now because of AI, and we're seeing many companies integrate AI, whether it's Blender, whether it's Unity, whether it's Canva. I mean, like whether it's Shopify. We got Stripe, Cloudflare. Everybody's integrating AI at the moment right now because they understand where AI is going and they understand how powerful this technology is and how many doors it can unlock for enterprise, but also retail as well. I think this is really cool. I think this is an exciting time we're living in. I still believe we got to hone in on the security side of all of this stuff, even with gaming. But we'll get there, I think, over time, and we're seeing that be brought up as well with stuff like Mythos, whatever you want to see, whatever you want to call it. Excuse me. Um, OpenAI is coming out with a lot of security stuff too, a lot of security models coming out too now. So I think that's honestly the next step. But gaming and AI is definitely the next step. I've been seeing a lot of people ask, like, there's no gaming dev engines that incorporate AI. Well, now you have Unity to add to that. Okay. You got Unity, and it's probably going to come to Unreal Engine. We're going to see probably, like, a lot of other game devs integrate AI. We're going to see games integrating AI into the game. So the possibilities are endless. I am excited about this, and I'm going to be looking into what's going on with gaming and AI because the two just seem to go together and mesh together very well, especially with like the ideas and stuff that I was talking about. So it's going to be interesting to see what comes next from this, how this open beta is going to go, and where this grows from here. So there you have it. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. If you have any ideas for videos you want to see in the future, let me know down in the comment section below. Like I said, I'm going to try to keep you guys up to date with everything that's going on with AI, or at least things that I think are valuable. But if you guys let me know what you want to see, I can let you know and keep you up to date with that specific stuff as well. So there you have it. And I'll see you in the next video.